Hello friends, welcome back to Wealth Growth Club. Today we are digging into Suzlon Energy, one of India's biggest renewable energy companies. If you are curious about how Suzlon makes money or just want to know if it could be a good investment, stick with me. We will keep it simple and clear. Let's start with the basics. Suzlon's current market value is 81,019 crore. The stock price is 59.6 right now. While over the last year, it's been as high as 86 and as low as 46 rupees. And ROCE, how well the company uses its capital, is solid at 32.4%. And return on shareholders' equity, ROE, is even higher at 41.3%. It has very little debt, only 0.05 times equity. That's pretty light. Okay, now that we know how Suzlon is, let's check out the numbers that matter most. Let's look at sales, which is just all the money Suzlon brings in from selling its products and services. In 2014, Suzlon made 20,403 crores in sales. For the most recent period, that jumped up to 12,000 crores. If you look at the years in between, the numbers go down for a few years, hit a low in 2019 at 5025 crores, but then start climbing back up with a big jump recently, up 67% this year. So, after some tough years, Suzlon sales are bouncing back fast. Let's see how much is being spent. Expenses were about the same as sales in 2014, but in 2015 and 2016, expenses shot up above sales, leading to losses. Lately, Suzlon's expenses are 9,914 crore out of 12,000 crore sales. The biggest cost is raw materials, sometimes around 60 to 70% of expenses. Employee costs have crept up, now 10 to 11% of expenses. So, Suzlon spent too much in the past, but recently they are doing a better job keeping cost in check. If we subtract all cost from sales, what's left is operating profit. Several years show negative operating profits, so losses. For example, in 2015, they lost 5,749 crores at the operating level. But the good news is the latest numbers show positive operating profit, 2,086 crores. That means the main business is making money. The margin is also up to 17%, which means Suzlon now keeps 17 rupees of every 100 rupees in sales after expenses. Now, besides their main business, Suzlon sometimes gets or loses money from other sources, like selling assets or investments. Interest payments, what they pay on loans, used to be high, but are dropping now as they pay off debt. Depreciation is steady, just what you would expect in a business with a lot of big equipment. All these pieces can shrink or grow profits, so they are important to watch. Here is where things often get interesting. In the rough years like 2015, Suzlon lost 8,816 crores before tax. Fast forward to the latest period, profit before tax is now 1,603 crores. Net profit has gone from big losses minus 3,548 crores in 2014 to a solid 2,094 crores profit recently. That's a massive turnaround. So in short term, Suzlon's numbers are looking up. Sales and profits are both rising sharply. But keep an eye on their cost and debt, which are currently in good control. If they keep this up, we could see even better quarters ahead. But in long term, if Suzlon continues to grow sales and manage cost, and if the renewable energy market keeps expanding, there is a lot of room for growth. But the big risk is if expenses jump or if sales slow down again, those profits can disappear fast. So watch for news on new contracts and cost controls. So Switzerland has gone from tough times to an impressive comeback story. If you want updates like this to keep your investing simple, don't forget to subscribe. And remember, I am here to make these numbers easy for you. So drop your questions in the comments and I will help break it down.